Breakfast meal. What is up, guys? So today we're going to uh, bring back babalik natin yung breakfast sorry. So I'm going to show you kung anong paninda ngayon ni Mama, and we will pick what will be our breakfast for today. So as tagabantay, syempre sabi ko nga, hindi pwedeng papahuli tayo. Syempre luto yun ni Mama be. So let's check it out. We have here sunny side up, hot dog, longganisa, boiled egg, and sinigang. We have pansit, bato, bihon, and sinangag. So nakita niyo na yung breakfast meal na meron. I think niluto si Mama, so we're going to pick. Siyempre meron na yung sinangag. What will be the partner of sinangag? I think longganisa and bihon. So let's go. Guys, so this is our first meal, breakfast meal for this week. So we have longganisa here, sinangag, and bihon as well. Wait, I think there's something missing. I'm gonna get what's missing and I'll be back. So here's what's missing, guys. Let's get started. So we're done with our breakfast meal. So we're done with our first breakfast meal edition for this month, right? And this week actually. So all I can say is that perfect match si bihon, si longganisa, and si mananga, as well as with coffee. Thank you very much, guys. So see you all again tomorrow for another breakfast meal edition. Please don't forget to follow and share our video, and as well as i-like na rin ang ating video. So see you, bye bye.